Hello, welcome back to Best Bet Trades. It's your boy Gundy. Before we get into the technical analysis, let's talk about the indicators in the Discord. Guys, the link for the Discord is below. Please like, share, subscribe so you guys get notified every time this new videos drops. If you guys want access to these indicators, our call outs, swing calls, all that good stuff, join the Discord. The link is below in the description. So with that being said, it does help see through the volatility of the market. So let's get right into it. MULN. MULN on the daily. As you can see, she's upper by the MACD. She's upper in a higher range. She's under the sell signal. She came up, as you can see right here. This is the previous day high and the previous day low, the green and the red. She's using that as resistance. There's a gap to fill at $2.09. There's also a gap to fill at $1.76. There's also another gap right here at $1.35, and there's another gap all the way down here at 51 cents. Overall, I'm bearish on it. Buy the puts. That's how I'm feeling on it. Let's go to the 4 hour. Go to the 4 hour. As you can see, guys, it's trending downwards. Look, it used previous day low as resistance. Look at the wicks. Boom, boom. It's just bearish in my mind. She's right here at the support level at $2.71. Once she breaks that support level, she's definitely going down in my mind. As you can see, she came down, dropped below the previous day high, previous day low, excuse me, which is the red line right here. You can see the wicks right here. It's all wick down. Came up, retested it, used it as resistance, came right back down. As soon as it breaks this level, she's going down. Overall, I'm bearish on it. You might see a little pop in the morning, but I honestly feel like it's going to be all downside. Look at the wick. Look how bearish, wick. Higher low. I think this is another higher low. There's going to be another higher low. I would definitely buy the puts. I'm actually interested in the morning at open. I'm going to see what it does over the first 5 candles or so on the 5-minute chart. We'll see. It might come back up and retest the previous day low. If it does and it's bearish, I'm buying the puts. On the daily and the 4 hour, even it's under the sell signal. It's under the buy signal on the 4 hour, but I feel like that's going to change. There's huge support right here. Though, look at these wicks right here. So this used to be previous resistance. Now it's support. See how it turned from previous resistance? Now it's support. Now it's support. So once it breaks the support level, that's when I will be getting into the puts. Overall, I'm bearish on it. Let's see if there's any gaps up above. Not really. It's just huge resistance around here. She came up, got overbought, and when she got overbought, she just started falling off. Came back up, retested it, double top, boom. Then she's on her way down. I believe she's definitely on her way down. Let's go to Progenity. Prog stock. Okay, guys, let's talk about Prog stock. Before we get into Prog stock, I see people in the comment section and Weevil saying, oh, this is going down, blah, blah, blah. It went down 5 whole cents today. 5 whole cents. Like I said in the previous video, this is a slow mover. This is something you get in and just sit on the sidelines and wait. As you can see, though, on Prog, she's been trading in this channel from $2 to 96 cents for a while now. This is the daily chart. So since January 6th till now, it's been in this same channel. This is the same channel it's been in. So with that being said, obviously, it's down towards the bottom. If it goes down more and uses this as support, it's going to go to the upside. Look how it's been flowing. Down, up, right in this channel. Now, it is a lower high. So, lower high. There might be a lower high. But ultimately, I just feel like this is the bottom. Look, it's consolidating right here. On the previous day low, it's still using the previous day low as support. Look at it. Look at the red line. It's using it as support. So, with that being said, I'm still bullish on it. Look at the wick on the 4 hour. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Look at the MACD and the RSI. There's a little bit of green right here. She's got more upside potential than downside potential in my mind. She bounced. Look, you can see right over here as well. Look at the wicks. That's all support. It's all in the support right here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Even though it's under the sell, it's been beaten down for days. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour. She's looking good. She's trending upwards. Look, a little green. Instead of that going from green to white to red, it turned green again. That's showing that it's bullish. Look, it jumped up. Used it as support. I'm telling you guys, this is the bottom. That's, in my mind, this is the bottom. Like I said in the previous video, what I would be doing is buying calls here and looking to, sell them, get out at like $1.35 would be the first level I would trim, and if it breaks through that and fills the gap, I would trim some more at $1.60, and then let some ride on the house up to $2. If it could break this $2 resistance level, the next level up is $3.02. So there's upside potential to this. So with that being said, just keep on trucking. Just keep watching. This is not something you're going to get rich off of overnight unless you're buying a shit ton of calls for a 5 cents move. Now ultimately, it could have a bigger move. It could move tomorrow. It could drop off around the 94 cents. But this is the support, as you can see right here at $1.05. That's really where the support is. All this huge support. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at all these wicks though. Look at those wicks. You go to the 4 hour. Look at the wick. It's just, and it's trending in the right way. Look, it's curling up on the MACD. Just hold on. Be patient. Do not get shooken out over a 5-cent drop. I don't understand how people think. Guys, stay to the end of the video. If you guys stay into the video, I always drop some knowledge at the end of the video. Give out extra calls, extra plays. So, just stay to the end. Let's go over Para. As you can see, Para let's go to the daily first. So daily, look at it's been trading in between this channel. Every time it comes up, it dropped off. It actually turned this level into support. As you can see, it's above it. Even look at this wick right here. Look at that wick. So you can tell that that's using it as support, and it's up. That's the previous day high, this little green line, and the red line is previous day low. But look at the MACD and RSI. It's curling over. Once this breaks this support at, I'm going to say, 36.56, this thing is dropping off a cliff in my mind. Now, it needs to drop below that and then turn it into resistance, not just drop below, because as you can see, it dropped below, but it did not turn it into resistance. It turned it into support, so it jumped back up. It needs to go down, close, the candle needs to close, and turn that into resistance. As you can see, for days, it's been green. Even though it had the red outline, which means weakness in the candle, it's been green. Once we get that first daily red candle, it's over. It's going straight down, and I'll be buying the puts. Now, if it jumps up and turns this level of 39.26, this resistance level, into support, I'd buy the calls. Right now, I'm in between, just waiting. Also, let's go to Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Bearish candle on the daily. MACD and RSI is cooling off. As you can see, it's under the buy signal. So it's towards the top, guys. This is the very top. The all-time highs are around $63 a share. So around $63 a share. It needs to jump up there and turn that into support. If it keeps bouncing off of these levels, eventually it's going to go down. It's really just that simple. Look on the buy signal. If you would have went on the 4-hour chart and buy signal, you guys would have made huge profits. It's been green this whole time. But it's using the previous day high as resistance. As you can see, it jumped up, came back down. It's using previous. So tomorrow, I'm going to look for a drop to around $61.75. And if it breaks that level, it's going straight down. I honestly am kind of bearish on it. Earnings are coming out soon, which I don't ever hold through earnings. I learned my lesson from that a long time ago. But on the 1-hour chart, it's under the buy, but it's cooling off. As you can see, the MACD and RSI is kind of cooling off. It used the $62.33 level as support. It needs to break that level. Once it breaks that level, then it'll go down to the previous day low, and then once it breaks that level, it's all downhill from there. So I'll be looking to get puts on that as well. Like I said, guys, like, subscribe, hit the comments, talk to us. If you guys have any stocks you want me to go over, get in touch with us, comment, join the Discord below. Everything is free. We are here to help you guys. Thanks. Have a good day. Happy trading.